How to fix Expedia stuck on confirming booking. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll discuss on how to fix the issue on the Expedia application being stuck on the confirming booking page. So if you're experiencing this problem, don't worry, the video will guide you through some easy, simple steps to find a solution. So first of all, you can clear the Expedia app cache. You have to go to system settings, then scroll down and go to apps. From here, you have to simply search for Expedia application. And once you find it, go to its storage and then click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But remember that clearing the data will also delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you have to be very careful regarding that. And you can also try for stopping this application. Now, another thing you can do is reach out to the Expedia's customer support. Explain your problem in detail, including any error messages you're encountering regarding your booking, and carefully check your itinerary for any mistakes that might be causing the issue. And sometimes errors can be fixed if identified early. So, if you need to make any changes or correction, make sure to get everything documented in writing, and this will help fasten the resolution process. If the problem persists, involve both Expedia and the supplier, such as airlines or the hotels, to apply pressure from the both sides and resolve the issue. And by following the simple steps, you should be able to fix the problem of the Expedia application being stuck on the confirming booking. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.